Hi everybody, Donny Thorp from Primising Motors here. We're going to do another instructional video. We're in a 2019 GMC Acadia. We're going to talk about the drive mode selector button right here. Or the kids call it a button. You ever notice they say button? It's crazy. But anyhow, right now it's in two-wheel drive, as you can see. You just click it clockwise. One click, and you can do this on the fly. And I didn't get it. There we go. And that's all-wheel drive mode. See the checkered flag right there? That is the sport mode. So if you want to get a little more performance out of your vehicle, you hit that. And then the last one, but not least, that is the off-road or mountain mode. If you get into icy conditions up in the hills, whatever, you can pop it into that. So that is the drive mode select button. And pretty cool how you can do that, have all those modes just on that little selector button right there. So anyhow, like our Facebook page, Primising Motors The Real Deal. If you're watching this video on YouTube, reach up there and hit the subscribe button. I hope to see you soon and have a great day.